Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make some wassail, which is a holiday hot drink that is a sure pleaser for all of your parties and get-togethers. My family absolutely loves this drink. It tastes so wonderful. A lot of people don't care for eggnog, but this is a great alternative that everybody is sure to love. And it takes only a few minutes to put it all together. So let's get started. We're going to take 1 gallon of apple cider. We're just going to pull the top off here and we're going to go ahead and pour it into a large kettle. Now this is a great drink for if you're going to have a party or a large get-together because this makes a lot of wassail. And this is something that the kids can drink as well as the older adults, and everybody loves it. Now, if by chance you have any left over afterwards, this is something that can also be put right back into the container and stored in the refrigerator, and you can just heat it up throughout the week. Although I very seldom ever have anything left over of this, I generally have people coming back for seconds and thirds. Now, after we put in our gallon of apple cider, we're going to go ahead and add 4 cups of orange juice. Now, I like to use the no pulp orange juice. You can use whatever one that you prefer, but I prefer the one with no pulp. And we're just going to take and pour our orange juice right on top of our apple cider that we put in our kettle. Next, we're going to use 100% of pineapple juice. And this is a 46-ounce can of pineapple juice. And we're going to pour that right on top of our apple cider and our orange juice. And we're going to just mix that all up together. And next, we're going to add in a cup of sugar. Now you can use regular sugar, just like what's here, or you could also use a sweetener, which I have right here. This is Splenda. This is a 1-to-1 conversion, which means if you would use 1 cup of regular sugar, in place of it, you would use 1 cup of Splenda. And that's what I'm going to add in right here. I have a family member who can't have a whole lot of sugar, and because your orange juice and your apple cider already have natural sugars already in them, I try and be careful and not add a whole lot of extra sugars on top of that. So I just put in 1 cup of Splenda here. I'm going to turn our fire on there. That got a little big right there, but alrighty, now we're just going to go ahead and stir that sugar right into our mixture here. This is an absolutely wonderful alternative to eggnog. A lot of people don't care for eggnog, and this is so great tasting. It smells absolutely fantastic. This is a sure pleaser for all of your guests. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add in 12 whole cloves, and we're just going to sprinkle those right into our mixture. And there we go. We just dumped those all right in there, and we're going to give it a quick little stir. This is such a quick and easy drink to make, and yet everybody is going to be amazed and so pleased with how well it tastes. Trust me, you probably will not have anything left over. My family absolutely loves this. They look forward to this every single holiday. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our cinnamon sticks. Now I'm just using Meyer cinnamon sticks, but you can use any brand of cinnamon sticks. And we're going to use 3 cinnamon sticks. And we're going to go ahead and put those right on top of our mixture here. Dropping those right in. And we're going to give it another quick stir. I guess I need to get out my spoon rest here. Let me grab that out here. And now we're just going to make sure that our fire is set at medium, and we're going to let this come to a boil. Now, as soon as it starts to boil, we can turn our mixture down to a simmer, or you can shut it off completely, depending on whether or not you want to serve it right away or if you have to wait a little while. When you serve it, it's best when it's served nice and hot, unless you're serving it to little ones, and then you may want to just have it just warm. Now, this is a non-alcoholic wassail. You can make wassail with alcohol in it, but I try and make this one very family friendly, so no matter who is coming over, everyone can participate and join in drinking the wassail. And you can see here that it's nice and steaming hot. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good, and it tastes even better. And we're going to have some of this while my daughters and I make some homemade breads to give to our neighbors for the holidays. And then later on, when all the kids and everyone comes over, we're going to have this wassail, and I can guarantee there will not be any left, or if there is a little bit left, I always have someone begging that they get to take it home with them. I hope you've really enjoyed this. Here's the recipe so you can make it yourself if you didn't get it as I was telling you. And if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks so much for watching, and Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful holiday.